Honey. So today, well, I've been vlogging about the benefits we are getting in Canada, but since, well, you know, it's maybe settled already or there's no new developments yet, so I will be vlogging about travels now, about anything budget friendly stuff, since that is my goal now, because there's I'm not back at work yet, so that's the goal. Spend less, which is what I'm doing today. I'm going to IKEA to buy stuff for our house, because we will fix it to suit our needs better now, because my kid is already big. She needs her own room, so that's the goal. Anyways, I just want to show you this new car we got. It's so spacious. So look at this. I have lots of room here in our car. We couldn't do this, but here there's a lot of space, and at the back there's also a lot of space. You can lie down if you want, and then there's an extra chair here that we can pull up so that an extra person can sit here. So, and there's like stuff for your drinks, and we're so far from each other in our car, like we are right beside each other. And look at this, we're so high up. It just feels so comfortable and more, I don't know, relaxing at the road, because you're not too low. See, that's the truck right there. So, but why did we get this car? It was because we had an accident in one of our trips to the island. We had an accident, so our car needs fixing, so they lent us this car while they are fixing our car. So we were supposed to be paying $8 per day as an extra charge for having a truck, because we have an SUV. So normally they will just give you an SUV if you have an SUV, but because they don't have winter tires on their SUV, they lent us this car instead. And Mo was the guy who showed us this car. He told us, you know, he's gonna try to let us keep this car until the end of until our car is fixed, because he said that normally people would be looking for a truck, so normally trucks are more in demand than the SUV. So he was like, originally the plan was, when they find an SUV, they will give it to us, and then we have to return this to Enterprise. But Mo said he will try to let us keep the truck until our SUV will be repaired. So that is amazing, because I love having this truck. We were actually thinking of maybe switching to a truck, but we think we just cannot afford it right now, to be honest. That's the reason why, right, Pa? We just can't afford it. Not now, not yet, but soon, one at a time. Anyways, this is our drive to Vancouver. This is how it looks like. It's so beautiful. Like, I have a lot of colleagues or friends who work in Fairmont or in Whistler, and has to travel every day to Squamish, because they live in Squamish, because Whistler is impossible. You can't find a place right now in Whistler. So this is their drive every day. Isn't this lovely? It takes about 30 minutes to 45 minutes from Squamish to Whistler.
Can you turn off the...
Is it too hot already? Okay, I'm gonna show you the control. Oh, okay. The view first, because it's view is really nice. There's a lot of snow already. It's really cold. Today is 1 degree. It's cold, but it's so sunny outside. You'd think it will be warm, but oh my goodness, when you go outside, you need this. You need this, otherwise you'll get sick. And don't be sick, because right now there's lots of COVID cases in Whistler, even like it went up. So no more visiting and no more visitors for now. So it's okay. We have to do what we have to do to be safe. So I'm gonna keep showing you this road, the highlights of this drive until Vancouver. IKEA. We're going to IKEA, and my daughter will go to the mall because she got some gift cards on her birthdays. So we're going to exchange those gift cards today with some good stuff. And IKEA. I'm going to vlog in IKEA as well. So please check that vlog. It will be right after this one or maybe before this one. But it will be somewhere. Depends on how much it will take time to edit the vlog. So right here. Okay, I'll turn this off for now and then I'll show you just the highlights of this drive. Okay, I hope you are safe wherever you are, and please subscribe and click the bell button. Okay, let's do that again. Please subscribe and click the bell button and like the videos, and please follow me in my Facebook page and Instagram page, because now that I'm not working, I'm going to try to do this online stuff maybe. Oh my god, there's lipstick in my teeth. Okay, check my other vlogs. Bye bye. So we are here in IKEA. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the store. And well, we're so lucky we got this truck right now. So that's why we are here, because we have the truck. We're gonna load it up. Okay, join me inside the store. And there's more here.